Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. This week we are studying the animals on the farm animals, so please be ready with your English book and pay attention to the video. This is the class plan. Okay, pay attention and let's continue with the video. Now take out your English book. Open your English book on page 96. I will open my English book too. So let me find, and we go to page 96. You see this page? Nice. Now pay attention to the reading.
Listen and read.
What are you doing, Chris? I'm feeding the sheep. But they're running away. I know. Sheep don't like me. Is the dog helping Chris? No, he isn't. He's chasing Frank. Oh no, poor Frank. I know. Frank hates dogs.
Very good, nice. Now let's go to the next page, page 97, because we are going to sing a song. So pay attention to this song and sing along.
Listen and sing along.
In a farmyard in the country there's a cow. In a farmyard in the country there's a cow. In a farmyard there's a cow and she's standing by a plow. In a farmyard in the country there's a cow. In a farmyard in the country there's a sheep. In a farmyard in the country there's a sheep. In a farmyard there's a sheep and her little lamb's asleep. In a farmyard in the country there's a sheep. In a farmyard in the country there's a horse. In a farmyard in the country there's a horse. In a farmyard there's a horse. She's a lovely horse, of course. In a farmyard in the country there's a horse. In a farmyard in the country there's a horse.
Okay, did you like the song? I love that. Okay, this is the little lamb that is asleep. It's so beautiful. And this is the lovely horse. Now let's continue on page 98. So pay attention because all these are actions that you can do when you go to a farm. ¿Ok? Todas estas son acciones que todos podemos realizar cuando estamos en una granja, ¿listo? O en una farm. So now pay attention to this and repeat with the teacher. Feed the chickens. This boy is feeding the chickens. Number 2, milk the cow. This boy is milking the cow. Number 3, brush the horse. This boy is brushing the horse. Number 4, look at this lovely dog. Number 4, bathe the dog. Number 5, help the farmer. We can all help a farmer. Yes, of course. So feed the chickens, milk the cow, brush the horse, bathe the dog, help the farmer. Let's continue with more actions. We can chase the sheep. Chase the sheep like this boy that is chasing the sheep. We can climb a tree. Number 3, jump into the pond. We can also take pictures. And finally we can run away. Oh no! So now we are going to go to page 99, okay, for the activity that we have for today that I'm going to explain. So we are going to go to page 99 and you are going to tell me what animals you like. Okay, you are going to tell me what animals you like. For example, I like the horse and the sheep. So I will write this on the forum that is on Moodle, and if you cannot go to Moodle and write your answer there on the forum, you can answer that question on your notebook. Take a picture and send me through the email, okay?
So this is the whole video for today. Thank you so much for being here. I will be looking forward to reading all your comments on Moodle. So stay safe, wash your hands, and bye-bye.